Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Krea AI. Krea AI is a tool designed for artists, designers, and content creators, offering features to generate creative content using AI. Click on the sign up button to create an account on Krea AI. You can Google your account by clicking continue with Google. Choose your account and then click on the continue button. You will be directed to the homepage. Go to the profile icon in the top right corner. A few buttons have specific purposes in the drop-down menu. On the home page, there are options that you can use to generate videos and images. Press the Generate Video button to create a video. Click Open App and you will see an example of how to use this app. You can add the keyframes and set the clip duration on the right side. Go to the gear icon. You can change the aspect ratio, motion intensity, and loop of the video. You can change the type of the video using the options on the left side. It will adjust the video according to your type. You can upload the image by clicking on the plus icon. Delete the videos and the text to create your own. Click on the plus icon on the pop-up window to add the prompt of the video. Enter the prompt in the given bar. Press enter and it will generate the video. Also, there is a shuffle icon. Click on it to shuffle the prompts. When you find a suitable prompt, you can press the enter button to start generating. Click on the purple box on the timeline to add a text prompt with dynamic motion. The timeline is divided into different sections. Click on a section to add a new video. Select the prompt for that video and then press enter. Add more videos to your time and you can create an interesting video using AI. Also, you will be able to add multiple text prompts to the different sections of the video. Click on the generate button to render the video. On the left side, there is an upscale button. Click on it to upscale the timeline with a time or duration. Play the video and adjust it according to your requirements. You will see the perfect animation of the video and upload it to your device. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.